Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Jeez, so many midges. My name is Chris and I am out for a really quick flight with the DJI Neo in FPV manual mode once again. I haven't really got a plan for today. I just wanted to get out while I can for a quick flight. It's been crazily windy all day today, but it's just died down now. What is it? It's 7:10. The sun is about to go down. You can see it over there. It's kind of lovely though. It's very, very calm and there's bloody flies, but it's very nice. So I'm just gonna get the drone out, fly around and have a bit of fun today, to be honest. No major plans. I'm not gonna jump on that one. Oh. Oh no. I think the little metal bit fell out of here. Oh, hang on. Oh my God. How lucky is this? I dropped the, look how long this grass is. I dropped the control stick and it went in the grass. Oh my God, that was so... So the gimbal's currently at 30 degrees. A flight at 30, okay, that's cool. Oh, look at this. Woo. This is beautiful. Look at the sun on the grass, it looks lovely. The shadows. What's that over there? Are those like deer or something? What are those? Are those deer? Oh, I won't freak them out. Let's go over this way. I think there's some deer over here.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see them? I'm not going to freak them out too much. Let's come down here a little bit and just see if we can take a look. Sorry dear, yeah, there you go. They're quite lovely, aren't they? I won't get too close to them. Let's come back over this way. They must just be thinking, what on earth is this? Oh, we are flying nearly 40 miles an hour. Oh God. Oh yep, this feels amazing. It's not too bad wind-wise, it's lovely. It's much better than it was earlier today, let me tell you that much. It's nice flying with this kind of low sun, actually. Let's do an orbit, following my orbit practice video, which didn't go too well, let's be honest. Can we orbit here? My hypothesis with that was that it was hard to orbit because I couldn't keep a close eye on the thing I was trying to orbit because it was so low on the ground. Whoa, sorry, Jesus. Whoa. No, don't crash. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm getting way too confident. I mean, it's fine if I crash, but I just can't be bothered to go and get the drone. Do you know what I really want to try? I want to be a bit cheeky. And I would quite like to try and hit this gap over here. There's a little gap in this bush that I spotted the other day. Let's just check. Is it? Nope. No. Whoa, what's going on there? Oh, pause. Oh, the save. The save. No, I saved it. I saved it literally. I saved it about an inch from the ground. Okay, we're back in manual. Now the problem is, there is definitely some barbed wire down here somewhere. So some of these gaps, they look like gaps, but they're not. They've got that hidden barbed wire that you can't see until the last minute. Let's have a look. Is there barbed wire here? Yeah, there is, isn't there? I think there's barbed wire there. Oh, I do want to like... ...30 miles an hour. This is what I love about manual. You can fly at 30 miles an hour. How cool is that? I mean, to say I'm a little bit more confident now than I used to be when I went... Well, you saw the video. Well, hopefully you saw the video. If you didn't, go and check it out, where I first started flying in FPV and I was just all over the place. I do feel significantly more confident now than I did then. Let's get a little... Whoa. No, not too low. Not too low, mate. I was going to go for a little orbit there, but I freaked out. Let's take it around. Should do a bit of a dive. Let's go right up and then try a bit of a dive. Upside down, maybe? Cut the engine. Cool. Should we try a power loop? Let's try a power loop. So we go like that. get some power, and then we just tip it back. Whoa! Oh. Jesus! Where did that go? Okay.
Oh, have we lost it?
No, I've got it. It's all right. I'll find it. It's somewhere. I can hear it. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's get it in manual. Take off. Oh, oh, oh. What is going on? Whoa, hang on, something's going on with this. Low battery. So I wasn't getting much lift. Interesting. I'm just going to put it into manual real quick again. Something's going on with my manual mode. Something weird's happening here. That felt strange. There was no thrust when I was trying to climb, and it also felt like the gimbal was really tilted down when it should be at about 30 degrees up. Don't know what was happening there. Let's try another battery. Maybe it's because the battery was low. Ah! Whoa, what's going on? What was that?
It got stuck on your jumper.
Oh, it got stuck on my jumper. Whoa. It's flying strange again. Yeah, look, there's not much lift. I'm at full lift at the moment. I've got full throttle at the moment, and it's not really lifting. Yeah, something's going on with this. Let's bring him back. Have a look. I wonder if I've damaged the propeller or something. Feels a bit odd. Oh, my posture. Look at that posture. Come on. Propellers all look fine. Can't see any issues. Let's have a look. Let's try again. Yeah, it's not liking it, mate. It's not liking it. It's just not getting any lift. Oh, hang on. Isn't my gimbal? Wait, my gimbal's really high. Let me just bring it down. Hang on. Was that a gimbal thing? Was that a gimbal thing? Wait, do you know what? I think I fixed it. Return to home. Okay, my battery's running out. I think that was the gimbal. The gimbal was pointed at like 50 degrees or something, which I think was why it was having so much of a yeah, look, it's fine now. That's why it was working in sports mode. Oh, thank goodness for that. Right. Right, let's bring it back. One more battery. I'm going to get another battery out quickly before the sun goes down. No, land there, mate. Land. Ah! Don't fall off. Ah! God's sake. Right. Okay, I'm really glad. I'm really glad I fixed that. I was really worried for a minute there. Last battery. Yeah, I think it's flying okay now.
Have you got a shot of the sunset?
Yeah, got a shot of the sunset. Nice little orbit. I say a nice little orbit, pretty horrendous orbit really, but it's an orbit. It's going to get a shot of that sunset. Yeah, that's a good point. Look at that. That's pretty lovely. I'm not going to go too far over there because that's where I crashed my drone into a ditch last time and lost it. Oh, this is risky. Why am I diving here? If I crash, it's going to take me hours to find it. Okay, yeah, let's be a bit careful. Should we try and hit that gap? Oh, why am I taking so many risks? What is it about flying an FPV that makes me so risky? Let's hit that gap. Yeah, look, there it is. I can see it right there. Can we hit it? Can we hit it? He can hit it. He can hit it. No, he can't. Jesus. Oh,
we lost it.
Oh, I crashed it into a tree. It's all the way over there. It's my own fault. I do it to myself. And there's the drone. There he is. Oh, stuck in a bush. Got him out. There you go. Right. I'm not going to do anything too crazy this time. Let's just get it out there. Yeah, no more gaps. Not right now. Not with the wind as it is. Let's go fast. Oh God, I'm knackered. I just want to get... I still don't feel super comfortable with doing orbits. I wish I felt more comfortable with them. Well, especially when it does that. Do you see that? That was wind, I think. Pretty sure that was a bit of wind. Let's climb a bit, and now I want to just do something a bit cheeky. Let's just do a little cheeky dive. That's nice. That was quite nice. Maybe one last one.
Ah, no, no. What are you doing today?
Okay, no more of that. Well, so in control, so poised. Ah! The control. No, at least it's close. Absolute last flight here. Okay. Whoa, he's flying. He is flying. Yeah. Battling against that wind coming back though. Alright, 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 alright. That ain't bad. Woo! Hey! That was cool. 35 miles an hour. Oh, careful.
Oh.
Steady on. Low battery, return to home promptly. Alright, mate. Alright, I better come back without crashing too hard. Whoa. Alright, here we go. Let's bring it back. Whoa. Nice cheeky little flight there. Sunset flight. And we're done. Wonderful. That was a lovely flight. Let's walk and talk. Let's walk and talk. Really fun. Terrifying for a minute there where I thought I'd damaged the Neo in some terrible way. Some issue with the gimbal pointing at 47 degrees. I don't know why that happened a couple of times. And that was really causing issues in terms of lift. I guess because I don't know why it was doing that. It was weird. Anyway, when I brought it back down to 30 degrees, it seemed to perform pretty well. I think it's fine. Thank goodness. Really fun just flying it around, especially in a slightly different kind of lighting environment. It's quite nice seeing the sunset. Some of the shadows on the grass early on in the flight were really cool. And yeah, overall, just a really, really enjoyable little flight. That's it. Jesus, look at these midgets. Just a really enjoyable little flight. You've got to get them in where you can, as I said. And I think that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please do consider liking the video. I nearly fell over. Also, please do subscribe. I've got loads more of this kind of content coming and I'd love to have you join me for that. And yeah, I just hope you have a really lovely, lovely week, a lovely Easter week. No, wait, what? When am I filming this? No, Easter's already been. Sorry, hope you enjoyed your Easter. Jeez. All right, bye.